everyone, it's Rita. Welcome back to my channel. So for today, we're going to be talking about a subscription box that it's actually my second time getting. This is going to be the Goldie Boxed. So Goldie Box comes from actually a fellow YouTuber friend here. Her name is Jessica and her channel is going to be Everything Proof. So what she does mostly in her channel is going to be unboxings, and she does a lot of subscription boxes. So she basically has had all the subscriptions under the sun, all about makeup, beauty, food, chocolate, tea, anything that is a subscription box, she has tried. So with that in mind, she had some, I guess not issues, but she never found her perfect box. So with that in mind, she came up with Goldie Boxed. So again, this is her company, so a smaller, more independent company, which again, I love to support. So she came up with it, I believe, last winter. So this is my second box, so it was last winter. I didn't talk about that one because I wasn't in town whenever I arrived, and then by that time it was too late. But anyway, the second box around, we're gonna be unboxing it together. Well, are we? Because of course I already unboxed it, but I'm gonna show you everything that's in here. It was a very exciting box. I really liked it. I am wearing a couple of the things like the eyeshadow on my eyes today, which is absolutely a stunner. I really loved it. And this box is gonna have a lot of other independent, more smaller brands, so you and I can try new things together. And these beautiful earrings were also part of my Goldie Boxed. So let's just get ahead and look at what we got. Before we go and jump into the box, let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about what Goldie Box is. So basically you get, again, a subscription box including beauty, skincare, and a couple of other kind of like lifestyle things that you can get. You'll see, like, you know, these earrings. And you do get 3 options of a box, so you're not just gonna be stuck to one price and that's it. So I like that she actually did that. So if you want to try the box but maybe you don't want to invest in the bigger box or in the most expensive one, then you have options. So I have the middle one, which is the silver one, but the most affordable is called Bronze Bear. I am here on the website, and that's gonna be $30. So with this you get to customize 3 options, so you do pick 3 of the items in your box and you're gonna get a bonus bronze item. So every time you buy your box, it's gonna be shipped for free. And also something that I really like is that every time you get a box or a box is sold, it's going to be, you're gonna help to plant a tree. So with your box, a tree is gonna be planted. Then we've got the silver box, which is the one that I have the subscription for. This one is gonna be for $44.99 a box, and it comes with 5 customizations, that's a hard word. So you can customize 5 different products. So you get 5 things that you picked on your box, and you also get 2 bonus items. And the same thing, so free shipping, and a tree is gonna be planted every time you buy a box. And then for the third subscription, which is going to be the higher one, is going to be the Gold Bear. This one is $59.99, and it comes with 7 different customizations. And then you get 3 different extra, I guess, bonus items. Same thing, free shipping, and a tree is going to be planted every time you get a box. Okay, so there's another option which I actually just saw here. It's the Surprise Bear. So for $21.99 you actually get a box that's fully surprise, so you don't get to pick anything, and you're gonna get 3 different products, you know, for the season. So these are going to be seasonal boxes, so I believe it's going to be, she has 4 per year. So let's go ahead now and jump into my box. So like I was mentioning, you already saw a couple of things that I have on, my earrings and my eyeshadow. But let's go ahead and open it up together. Again, it's not really an unboxing because I had already opened it. But look at how adorable this paper on inside is. Because again, we are in the spring. So you get butterfly paper, super cute. And we have the first item that I selected, which I got a white cap. It says good vibes only. I really loved it. She had actually, of course it's not gonna fit me because it's not fitted right now for me, but she had the option of getting 3 different colors. It was this white one, a pink, and a denim one. I actually had my eye on the denim, but by the time that I ordered and did my customization, it was really late and sold out. But I actually really like this white one, because then I also only have one other cap. I don't really wear caps as much, but whenever I go out to take out the doggies, or we're gonna go on a bike ride, and I only have one other one that's pink, so the white one is perfect. It matches with basically all of my like my gym wear, my fitness clothes, which I never go to the gym, but we'll just leave that between you and me. But I really liked it. It's so adorable, and again, it matches basically out of the way. We get here, we've got a couple of little bonus items. We'll get to those in a minute. But the second thing that I customized was some glasses for your computer. So I actually did get LASIK done almost a year ago. So honestly, before this box, I was already looking into getting some glasses just to wear whenever I don't want to wear my makeup and I just want to feel a little more, you know, confident in my bare face. I like to wear glasses. So because I can't really wear them anymore because I don't need them, I thought of actually buying some of these UV glasses for your computer. So I did customize this, so it comes with a very nice case. Actually, it's very sturdy. And then these are the ones that I got. She did have two options. So you got the hexagonal ones, and I think there were some other, I can't remember which ones, but like different than this, but I preferred these ones, and they are so adorable. I like them so much, and I wear them whenever I'm working in my computer. Like, I work like a 9-to-5 job, so sometimes I do feel like I need a little extra, and again, because they're cute, I'm not gonna lie, that was the main reason why I got them. But I already had in mind getting some of this UVB computer, whatever you call them. Like, it's probably not even UVB, it's blue light glasses. There we go, the word came to my mind. Third customization, I got this beautiful earrings. The brand is called Halos, so it does come in, again, a very sturdy, very nice box, and then you have a little pull here. Whenever you pull them, this is where the earrings wear. They're not there anymore because they're on my ears. They are adorable, they feel very nice. And the thing with this kind of earrings, I always have a hard time getting hoops that I like because my ears are very sensitive, so they feel like very heavy, even if they're not as heavy. But these ones are super comfortable and they are zero heavy, so I can just comfortably wear them all day, and I really love them. They're a little bit bigger, but they're thin, so I just love them, and I've been wearing them a lot lately. So these are definitely something that was probably one of my favorites. Then we've got a product that I haven't actually tried. This one is from Delia Skincare. I got a hydrating serum, and this is going to be natural, cruelty-free, and vegan. So I was actually gonna try to wear it today for the first time, but I read that it's only going to be for night time. So I couldn't try it, but I'll definitely let you know how I like it. I believe because of what it's in here on the side of the box that this is going to be a carrot skincare hydrating serum. So this one is a hydrating. She did have the option of around 4 different serums. I wanted a hydrating one just because my skin is more on the drier side. But this is what it looks like. It's gonna be 30 ml. So your usual skincare size for a serum. The packaging is going to be glass. So I love that it's glass because glass is one of the easiest materials to recycle and reuse. And then it comes with a dropper. Very pretty packaging. I really like it. And then lastly, I picked this beautiful eyeshadow that's on my eyes today. This is from the brand Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and I've got mine in the shade Peach Blossom, so it's very adorable. And we're gonna go ahead and try it for the first time and put to the test the Bella Pierre Cosmetics palette. This one is in the shade Peach Blossom. So it comes in an orangey, peachy plastic box. It does close by just, you know, pressure, very easy. And you open it up, you do get a big mirror, and then you have 4 shades, which I absolutely love. I love when palettes come in smaller, like quads or kints. So let's go ahead and start with this very beautiful orange shade. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush, tap of the excess, and I'm going to start running this into my crease, just kind of like windshield wiper motions. The color looked very vibrant on the palette, and although it's still very pigmented, it's not as, I guess it looked a little scary whenever I opened it. I'm not gonna lie, like, oh my gosh, that's super super intense, but it's not translating as orange, which I like. It's kind of like a more subtle orangey peach, which I guess the name of the palette is Peach Blossom. That was very easy to blend, very smooth. It went on super fast. So let's move on with our lid shade. I'm gonna use this beautiful, more kind of like peachier, orangey light shade in a flat shader brush. See how this performs. If not, I'll just use my finger, which is actually how I prefer to put my lid shade. But this is actually very pretty, and it's going on super pigmented and very smooth. I'm gonna go back to the first shade, and I'm just gonna blend out those edges to make sure everything is nicely blended. We don't have any harsh lines. And then I'm gonna use a smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna go for the darker shade. So this kind of like more, I want to say like bronzy orange shade. And I am going to start applying this on my outer V just to create a little bit of more depth to the eye look. And again, this is very very pigmented, looks very pretty, and I'm gonna blend it into my crease, but kind of like keeping it a little bit closer on my crease and not pulling it up as much. Use the same brush but the other end, and I'm gonna go back to this shade and I'm gonna mix it with this one just to apply this on my lower lashes. Now with my finger, I'm just going to go into this shade, the one we used all over the lid, and I'm just going to apply a little bit extra just to make sure that we're connecting and blending really nice that darker shade on the outer V. Such a pretty look. And now to finish up, I'm just going to go with my pinky finger on the lighter shade, and I'm just going to apply this on my inner corner. Okay, so we are all done. It was very easy to blend, and just in general, all done with the makeup, and I actually loved this little palette. It was so easy to blend. I mean, you just saw the clip. Everything went super smooth, and I really, really love the shades. Surprisingly, for someone who has a lot of eyeshadows, I don't have anything similar to this. I can only think of one other palette by Charlotte Tilbury, but it's not as peachy as this. The other one is more copper, so really I don't have anything peachy orange, so I am so happy with this. This is screaming summer to me. I really really loved it, so I definitely see myself using this little palette so much during the summer. It's adorable. I like the packaging. It's gonna be easy to travel with, and also I only get 4 shades, which if you are new to my channel, that's something that I've kind of like been loving lately, maybe for the past year or so. Quads have been my go-to. It's just easier to do everything whenever you have a little palette curated perfect for you. I mean, what else can you ask? But I did end up leaving the lip. I thought that maybe it looked a little too peachy, but I loved it. Once I went on with a brown eyeliner, my mascara, I felt like it just complemented perfect the makeup. Okay, so we're down to the 2 last items, and these ones are my kind of like bonus free items. So the first one is going to be, it says, you plant, we plant. Imagine a world where everyone grows trees. So basically this is a crepe myrtle, and it gives you on the back some instructions on how to plant it and how to get kind of like your seeds to grow. So here we go. This is very cute. I don't know if I can put this in like a pot because I live in an apartment. So I'm gonna see if I can actually plant this in a little pot, because that would be really cool. And then for my second bonus product, I got a roll-on perfume oil from the brand Mixology. This one is in the scent Ocean Mist. So it comes in a cardboard little cylinder box, and again, this is cruelty-free, alcohol-free, paraben-free, and it smells really good. So I like this because actually, since I announced not too long ago that I just turned cruelty-free, the first thing that I said was the hardest thing that I found is perfume. Like, it's very hard to find perfume that's cruelty free. So I'm definitely gonna look into this brand because apparently, you know, it is a perfume brand, so that's something that I'm definitely enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in this box or maybe if you already have it, because I know Jessica has a lot of subscribers and a lot of people who have been buying her new box. It is very, very nice. Everything is a great quality. This palette really blew my mind. But anyway, I like discovering new brands thanks to Goldie Box. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!